Hi guys. I would like to briefly talk about the solution to the daily challenge for 10th and 11th graders question. So let's get started. Here it's the solution. Let's get to the given. It states that we need to find all positive integers that satisfies the following equation. Reciprocals of x and y sum up to 1 over p multiplied by q, whereas p and q are prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers that have only two divisors, which are itself and 1. And let's get started. What I would like to do with the following equation is first to simplify it and factorize. Factorizing, we first write down the equation itself, and then we find the common denominator for the left hand side of the equation, which is x multiplied by y, and we write down again, and then we use proportion and find out that x plus y multiplied by pq equals x multiplied by y, and we will write it as in one side of the equation, and to the right hand side we'll write 0, and we'll simplify it, open up the brackets, and here I want to show that first we'll find the terms that have in common the x. Here it is, and here. So we'll write down them first and then the other terms left. So we'll find out have to factorize when we factorize the terms with x. So here it is, and then we'll write down this with a minus on it, multiplied by -1 or the same itself, but here as you can see we need y multiplied by pq with plus sign. So I did y minus pq and wrote down multiplied by pq, and I will just add pq to the squared because I just subtracted pq to the second degree. And then here it is. We have finally factorized out the equation. Here on the left hand side we have the terms with unknown variables, and on the right hand side we have the terms with variables that we know something. And what's important here is that p and q are given that they are primes. That's really useful because when we factorize out, we can see that we can solve simultaneous equations where here a and b are the divisors of pq squared. And since p and q are prime numbers, it's easy to find the divisors of this expression pq to the second degree. Then since it's p squared multiplied by q squared, we can find the number of divisors according to computations, and they are 3 multiplied by 3, which gives us 9 cases. And we find out for each case a and b what they are equal to. Here I stated all of them, 9 cases, and then it's easy to solve the simultaneous equation because x and y both equals to a plus pq and b plus pq, and here is the answer. We got the answer. X and y equals to 9 cases. In each 9 cases we will find out by adding pq to a and b. And I really thank you for Mathical's attention, and if you have any ideas or feedback, please feel free, and you can send it to my email, which is muhammadrezamajidov 2004 @gmail.com. And stay at home, stay safe, and stay inspired for learning. See you soon, guys.